Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the Airtel Xstream box has the latest firmware and the TV is on the correct HDMI input. Next, make sure the box and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for device discovery. Once done, open the Xstream settings and enable the cast or screen mirroring option so the box advertises itself. You're now ready to initiate a connection from the casting device. Don't skip verifying network match first. Now, on your phone or laptop, open a cast-enabled app or the Systemcast/Share Screen menu and look for the Airtel Xstream device name. Tap or click the device to start the handshake. You may see a pairing prompt or a short code on the TV. Make sure to accept or enter the code on your casting device so both ends trust each other. If you plan to cast video, choose the proper quality settings and close unnecessary apps to reduce latency and packet loss. Finally, confirm audio and video are synchronized and that the app content appears full screen on the TV. Adjust TV input settings if needed. If the Xstream device does not appear, restart the box and router or toggle the cast option to refresh discovery. Make sure both devices are on the same network and not isolated on a guest network. For stability, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce interference. If problems persist, temporarily disable Firewall on your casting device to rule out blocking, then re-enable it once resolved.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.